In this video, I'll show you how to scratch in FL Studio using a simple method with Grossbeat and automation. First, make sure you have your vocal clip added to the timeline. Press play and listen to the part where you want to add the scratch effect.
Work in progress. Work in progress.
Now, go to the toolbar and select the Slice tool. Use Ctrl plus your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in horizontally and Alt plus scroll to zoom vertically. Now, use the Slice tool to cut the section of the vocals where you want to add the scratch. Next, open the mixer panel and make sure the master track is selected. In the effect Slots, click to add a new plugin and select Grossbeat. The Grossbeat panel will now open. Go to the top right corner of the Grossbeat panel and click on the Presets button. From the drop-down, choose Momentary. Then, on the left side of the panel, click on the preset called Bar Scratch. Once selected, close the Grossbeat panel. Now go back to the mixer and find the small knob next to the Grossbeat effect. Right-click on this knob and choose Create Automation Clip. An automation clip will now appear in the timeline. Close the mixer panel to see it better. Move your cursor along the automation clip until it lines up with the exact point where you made the cut in the vocals. You'll see a horizontal line appear. Right-click here to add a dot. Next, create a second dot just to the right of it and drag it all the way down to the bottom. Now move to the end of the automation clip and drag the last dot there to the bottom as well. That's it. Press play to hear your scratch effect applied to the vocals.
Work in progress. 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 Work in progress.
Thanks for watching.